If you're watching this video, you definitely must have heard about the new AI system that was introduced a few days back. It's quite similar to ChatGPT, and there's been this comparison between which one is better and which one is not better. However, I'm not here to show you which one is better. I'm just going to show you how to use Deepseek if you are using an Android phone. So in order to use Deepseek on your Android phone, you need to head over to your Play Store. So when you get to your Play Store, you search Deepseek AI assistant. So you need to search it like this because there are other versions of the Deepseek here, but this is the particular one you will get. You can see I already have it installed, so I'm not going to be installing it again. So if you just head over to your Play Store, you search Deepseek AI assistant, and then you'll be able to get it. So once you download it, it comes over to your phone like this. As you can see, it's quite similar to ChatGPT, similar interface. So, but for this one here, if you tap on this hamburger icon by the left, see this is where you have your chat history. So I have not actually typed in any chats yet. That is why you can't see anything on my history here. By the right corner, the top right corner, you can see a plus icon where you can start typing your new chat. So for this, I'm going to just type in you can just type in anything. So for this, I'm just going to say give me a history of America, for example, and then I would hit. So you can see it's generating quite fast, and this is just very similar to ChatGPT here. So you can see it's giving me the history just like this. So you can go over and give it more prompts, and then it will come up with more details. I think this one even generates longer text compared to ChatGPT. I can't really say, but this looks quite longer than ChatGPT. But this is very okay. It's still generating, so you can see how fast it generates. So let's wait for this to load. So yeah, it's done generating. So you can continue giving it more prompts. Just continue chatting with it and give it more prompts, and then it gives you the answers you want. So there are other things you can try out here. On this place here, you can include your photo. Yeah. So I'll allow it to access my phone. Okay, this is camera. So I don't really want to use this feature now. So the other things that you can also put in a document down here and, give it the prompts to give you probably an answer to a document. Yeah, so I think he has this search. So you can search something directly on the internet here. And let me say, give me, so I say, give me a description. Let's say, give me a complete description on how to start drop shipping. Just typing anything that's coming to my head. It's not like I really want to start drop shipping, but yeah, this is it. So to make it search, you can see this blue icon here. Yeah, just tap on that and then it's just going to generate. So yeah, this is me just trying to have it to generate more for me. Yeah, it starts generating, and continuously it goes. So yeah, so this is basically what you can do with it. I think you also have the option to access your profile here. Yeah, so you can see your profile, your email, and other things here, color schemes. I think you can be able to set it to light mode or dark mode. Yeah, so mine now is on light mode. So let me try the dark mode. Yeah, so you can see you can change language and other things here. So I think I love the dark mode. Yeah, it's still even generating. This actually generates longer text compared to ChatGPT. Based on my observation, I feel it generates longer text compared to ChatGPT. Yeah, so that's basically what you can do with it. For now, some options have not been updated on this particular one. because I can't see an option. I don't think it's possible to generate an image. Yeah, I've tried it and it did not work. Yeah, I've tried it with someone's phone and it did not work. So they don't have an option to generate an image currently, but I feel that is an update that is coming up very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and try Deepseek and see if it works better for you compared to ChatGPT, or you can use it. You can still use it while using ChatGPT on the side. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll get to see more videos like this. And please like and share this video with your friends so they can get to know more about Deepseek. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.